I am Nirbhay, a software engineer at Persistent System. I work on full stack development and data-driven application, and I frequently explore tools that help convert business data into meaningful insights. There were a lot of manual engineering workload that was happening before Bold BI we used. So lot of manual development and required more people to do the same task. But when we explore the tool called Bold BI, and it really helps a lot to ship things fast. In my team, a lot of people were doing manually, like creating dashboard and doing the manual things which were requiring more times. But when we adopted the Bold BI, then we were shipping things very fast and faster dashboard development and reduce engineering workload, you can say. And second thing is real-time insight generation without manual data processing, easy embedding into existing internal tools. Like a lot of external tool we were integrating into it, so it helps a lot to get things done very fast. Actually, one of my friends suggested, like he was using from very long time, and told me that this platform is very cool, and in his organization he was using from long time, and he suggested me to tell to your senior and get this platform, and it will help you in your team. So after that we purchased the premium for Bold BI and then started using it. Top three benefits, seamless integration with REST API, SQL, Excel, third-party tools. Drag and drop dashboard builder. Here we could drag and drop. It is very impressive. And ability to embed dashboard into existing applications. Like existing application, we can integrate very easily. We require some kind of integration and do things very fast. Then we use Bold BI, and my plan to use in this way, and I'm exploring more features of Bold BI which I can use, and I'm ready to use it. I would highly recommend, because one of my friend recommended me, and I recommend to other people. In my friend, people who are working in different company, they are my friend, and I also recommended them. This platform is really cool.